Oh no, I forgot to make the video on the Holden Cruze. Anyway, it was just a straightforward coil pack and spark plugs. 8 of them. No, actually these are off a Mazda 3. That came in. See, I just keep forgetting to make the videos on the Japanese cars because they're all so standard. But be careful with spark plugs, especially on Subaru, that you don't crack them when you put them in. Okay, but anyway, on this Holden Cruze, he came in on a tow truck. The car was barely even running, couldn't be driven, so it's clearly failed in 2 parts. Normally there's cracks on these, but I can't see the cracks. So I was dreading an ECU failure like that old Astras. They're the spark plugs that were in it, ZFRU 9. Okay, they're not great, but the Holden Cruze is fixed and gone. But yeah, that's the Holden Cruze 2009 or 10. I think it could be a Chevrolet Cruze or Chevrolet Malibu, and it's under another name somewhere else. But yeah, coil packs are very common. But on that engine, the ECU's been revised. But on the same engine on the Astra, the coil pack blows the computers up. So I'm not sure. I've already found out that cheap ones don't on the Cruze, but that's just one person in GM telling me that. But the Astras, the AH, had a massive issue with coils and ECUs. Regardless, the issues continue with the Cruze. So quite a basic fix, but still never cheap. Anyway, hope that helps.